Hello, my name is Peter here and I'm one of the reference librarians at Bank Street College of Education. This is a screencast on how to use the Search Everything button from the library's homepage search box. Have your 14-digit library barcode or cohort name handy if you're at home. The browser I'm using is Chrome. The Search Everything button allows you to search through all of the library's collections and subscription databases. For this screencast, my topic is art education and its benefits for children. Start simple by typing the big topic, art education, in the search box. Make sure you have Search Everything button selected. Then hit Go. If you're at home or using your own unregistered laptop in the library, you'll be asked for your 14-digit library barcode or cohort name. You should see a page of results showing just under 3 million results. Your search engine is quite simple. It looks for exactly what you type. You should see art education somewhere in the record, usually in the title. We need to refine our list by looking at various options on the top, left and right hand sides of the screen. On the top, let's add the keyword benefits in the second box. Hit search. And now we have just over 1 million items. Let's add another keyword, and this time I'm just going to use elementary because that's the kind of population I'm interested in. Hit search again. This time I've got 190,000. Still quite a lot. So I've narrowed down my results by using keywords in the top part of the screen. Now I'm going to focus attention on the left-hand side of the screen. So it's really a good idea to pay attention to the current search because it tells you what you're doing. So you're looking at art education, benefits in elementary. There are expanders. So there's apply equivalent subjects or search within the full text. So I'm just going to get rid of this one here. I'm going to get rid of the expanders. So I'm just going to X out of that. Now I'm going to focus attention on the limit to. So I really want to look at full text because I want to read something right now. So I'm going to check that box. And then I'm going to check available through the Bank Street Library. So that's just going to eliminate things like interlibrary loan items. Catalog only is really books. Now I'm going to pay attention to the publication date because I want the last 10 years. So you can either type in the date or you can use the sliders. I'm going to go back to my current search because I'm just going to check to make sure that this is really what I want. Full text, through the library, publication date. Okay, good. So now I'm going to have a little look at the source types because there's a variety there. And I'm really interested in academic journals, so I'm going to check that box. And that's narrowed it down quite a bit. Sometimes people are asked to have peer-reviewed items. So to do that, I really have to go back to the Limit To box. And this little thing called Show More is very useful because it has a little box that you can check for peer-reviewed items. Okay, and then you have to hit the search box down there. It's got a lot of things to do. But you'll notice if you go back to your current search, you'll see that peer reviewed appears there. If you're getting a lot of items that are not from the US, then you can look at geography. It's not always useful, but I can check that just to make sure that everything is from the US. Now I've got 2,000 results. It's still quite kind of a lot, but I'm going to move on. And if I want to, I'm going to really look at the right hand side of the screen, because I can do things like look at relevance. I can look at newest, oldest. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And I can look at inside the articles without actually opening them up. Okay, so that gives you some idea of what's inside the articles without opening them. These little things here will tell you about how popular the item is. This is very useful. So if you've already signed into your Gmail account, you can save things to your Gmail account or your Google Drive. There's also options for Dropbox and to OneDrive, but you have to already kind of have signed into those accounts before you start. If I actually want to look at or print an item or read it, I'm going to just click this, the full PDF full text. Sometimes there's HTML, but PDF is usually preferred because you can see the pictures and you can see the graphs and the page numbers. So it should open up inside your browser. If it's not doing that, come and see us at the reference desk and we'll help you with that. Okay, so if I want to print something, there's the icon I want to use. This one over here is kind of gives more like prints the record. This actually prints the article. You can download it and that kind of thing. I just want to just show you a very useful little tool. It's over here on the right hand side. It helps you with citing. So we're APA 6th edition, and all you need to do really is to copy and paste that into your reference list and you're kind of done. That's the end of the screencast. If you need any more help, come and see us at the reference desk or email us at librarian@bankstreet.edu or call us at 212-875-4456. That's the end of the screencast.